today.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
That's right, guys. We're making hot chocolate bombs today. We have a lot of experience with chocolate, you guys. We've been eating it all our lives. So this probably isn't as easy as we think, but we are up for the challenge. Right, Anaya?
Yeah.
Ready to get started? Okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna get us going with the molds, and then we're gonna see you back and you can help me fill it. What are we gonna fill it with? We're gonna fill it with marshmallows, cocoa, cookies, not cookies, cocoa or your favorite hot chocolate blend, and optional candy cane because it's the holiday season, right?
Let's do
To
it!
melt your chocolate, you have a number of options. I'm using a warmer today. I'm gonna plug that in when I'm ready to use it. It's a Wilton one, but I'm sure there's other warmers as well. You can do this in the microwave. You can do this over the stove if you have boiling water and then you put like a clear bowl on top to heat the chocolate. So whatever you have handy, you can definitely do, but I'm ready to get started here. Let's take a look at what we'll need for today. So this will look like a Wilton ad, but I promise you it's not. I just happen to have a lot of Wilton things, but you can use alternatives for sure. So basically you're gonna need some kind of chocolate. I have some milk chocolate wafers here. You can use chips as well, but you'll see when you cut these into little flakes, they're so satisfying. So you'll need that. You'll need your favorite hot chocolate. I'm using Milo today because, you know, you grew up with the stuff, and I think it'll just be fun to use that today. You can garnish a little bit with candy cane if you wanted to put it to crush them and put it either inside or on top as garnish. For some kind of mold, these are heart-shaped ones. You can also do the actual bomb, the rounded ones if you want to. So you don't want any moisture around your chocolate. Chocolate has a temper. Actually, tempering chocolate is a science. No wonder sometimes when I melt chocolate, I wonder why I can't get the right consistency or why it's not molding and forming. It's because when you're melting chocolate, it's so important to maintain the right temperature, you guys. So what I have is a candy thermometer here, and also a thermal gun, and you might be used to this now in some places you go, right? I'm going to use these today to check the temperature and maintain it at 88 to 90 degrees. For us in Canada, it's 30 to 32 degrees Celsius, and I always mix those up, but anyways, the smaller number is what we go by here in Canada. And first of all, let me see if I'm even able to do this today. So let me check my own temperature. I think I can do it. So if the chocolate is tempered right, you're gonna get that crisp, that little snap when you're breaking through chocolate. If it's ever bendy and not forming right, it's because it just wasn't tempered right when it was melting. So I'm ready to do this. I'm a little nervous, but I think let's go. So this is a baking brush, but you can even use a clean painting brush, and basically bring the chocolate onto the mold. And don't worry, we're gonna have to do this twice. So we're gonna do one round of it and freeze it up. And then we're gonna do another round to get it thick enough so that it won't be so brittle that it'll break. And get a nice coverage. Shake it around so it settles, and then let's put it in the fridge. While the chocolate is in the fridge for 5 minutes, this is a good chance to break up your peppermint or your candy cane just in a Ziploc bag and smash it up. Temperature of the chocolate in case you have to reheat it. Don't forget. Okay, Anaya's back, you guys. I gave her a little cheese stick, a snack, so that she doesn't get tempted to eat all the marshmallows, right? What I'm going to do is bring our Milo into this little section here, and then this way Anaya has all the fillings she needs to help me stuff those chocolate hearts, okay? You can do it with a steady hand. Whoa, you're doing good.
Yeah. Okay, I think that should be enough.
That should be enough? Sure.
Look, wait, Mommy, I have to fasten it and make it nice and smooth, guys. Ooh, it smells so smooth. See, there you go. Look at chocolate milk.
Okay, so these are back out of the fridge. I'm a little nervous, you guys, because I'm worried that the edges are too thin and they're gonna be so brittle, but I guess we will see. Ready?
Yeah.
Take these out? Okay. I like the silicone ones because, you know, they're bendy. So let's see. Here, let me do it.
Sit together.
No, no.
Mommy's coming out. Mommy, you see her?
Whoa. Woo! Wow!
Wow!
Hey, that's awesome.
Yeah.
So I'm
so
just gonna put it in my little tray here.
It's so cool.
Woo! That one has a little hole on it. It's okay.
You can throw that. I'm gonna eat that one.
You gonna eat that one?
I'm gonna eat all of it.
I'm not gonna eat all of
It
it.
looks so good. I can't hold it. It looks like hard chocolate. I could put it in chocolate in a wrapper.
Woo! We're doing it, you guys.
Oh.
And the last one.
Oh! Can't eat one.
Okay. No, no, no.
Yep.
Okay, now Anaya can stuff these.
Ooh.
So only on this side, Anaya, okay? So first you're gonna put this.
Sure.
Yeah.
Sure, Mommy.
Put it inside, be careful.
Oh.
Okay.
That's
I think it's a little too much.
We can just clean that later, right?
Yeah. Okay, let me give you, yeah, that much, that's good.
Ooh, my bad, I did.
You're great at it. Okay, put it this here and here. Yeah. A little more.
It's kind of nice. It's so yummy.
Yeah.
So good. One. Oh, we should do that one straight.
So there's different ways to have the chocolates stick together. You could either put melted chocolate and stick them on. You can put these upside down in a pan, but I'm gonna try something different. I have a little lighter here. Okay, it's time to adhere these together. And now you need to stay far.
I'm going to play it before.
You can even roast some of the marshmallows.
I also melt the marshmallows. Yeah, it's coming melting.
Okay, don't touch that, okay?
Can I test? Can I eat it?
No, honey, wait.
Guys, I can't hold it. I need to eat it. It looks so good. Mommy, get it. Coco. God. What do you eat it? Mommy. Eat it. I'm kind of kidding. I'm gonna eat one. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Can I eat one?
Yeah.
Mommy's gonna warm up the milk. I'm gonna do my makeup.
I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
We actually did it. We formed the molds. They're in the fridge right now. It's probably the best place for them while the milk is warming up. They weren't too hard. They came out of the mold easily, but they're brittle. I think I could have done like a third layer of painting on the chocolate, but in the end, as long as they taste good, I think we're gonna be good to go. If your molds don't turn out perfect, there's a couple of things you can do. You can take your leftover chocolate in a Ziploc bag. And drizzle. You can even
Mommy, I found a bubble gum. Mommy, I found a bubble. Yeah. Bubble gum. Bubble gum.
okay. Inez eating it like a cookie.
It's not a cookie. It's called a chocolate bomb. Or
Yeah. Okay. So I could film this, I asked Cash to do the honors. All right. I know you're not a big fan of like peppermint things. You say it tastes like toothpaste. Yeah. So
I have that every day anyway, as it is. So.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now
Use your mug. That's my mug.
Use my mug.
Yeah. Move my mug back where it was. Perfect.
Naya, I think you don't know what a chocolate bomb is. What you have to do. Look at this, guys.
She's already in
gone
there.
through it. No, what you're supposed to do, Anaya, is you're supposed to put the chocolate bomb in your cup, right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna pour this hot milk.
Okay.
And as we pour the milk, it's gonna melt. It's gonna melt. It's gonna break, and then the marshmallows will come floating to the top.
Yeah.
Don't you want to see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I'm going to it's broken. So here I'm gonna. Okay, ready?
So and I already bit through it, but that's okay. Ready, Anaya, for the hot milk?
So I'm gonna pour it for you slowly. Let's see.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Now
Oh, look!
the marshmallows popped up, Anaya. It worked.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, go ahead and
It's
stir
warm,
it.
so we have to stir it first.
That's this one.
Yeah, she has her own spoon.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
gonna watch
I'm
you.
gonna take this one.
You take that one. Okay, put
Place
it.
it right there in the center.
Are you excited? Woo! You excited?
Yeah.
I'm so excited to blow up. Oh, look, blowing up! It blew up!
She calls it blowing up.
Yeah.
Oh, mine.
Let me stir this. Mmm.
Look, Daddy. The donut cut.
Wow, it worked.
Ooh, it works. Let me try some. Can't wait to get this in my tummy. Oh, so good. Okay.
Okay, Mom, now I can pour the milk. I'm gonna see. You excited?
Yeah.
Excited? What's it popping out? Popping out!
Ooh, it's popping out.
Well, we did it, guys. I hope you get to try these at home. And if it's too much work, there are so many professionals probably in your area that you could buy these from. They probably will look a lot better than what we did today. We'll see you in the next vlog, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Is it even good, guys?
It is. It's actually turned out really well.
Okay.
It's not just tight.
Subscribe to our channel. Bye.